Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are seeing an internal error in Perplexity AI, it usually means something went wrong on the server, app or connection side. The good news, it's often easy to fix. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the internal error in Perplexity AI effectively. So the first thing you can do is refresh the page. So click refresh or reload from here or resend your query, okay? It's a quick fix. You can also check your internet connection, so make sure stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try switching networks because weak connection means or equals errors, okay? Check Perplexity server status, so if servers are down, error will appear, so wait and try later, okay? So it's an external issue, okay? You can also clear cache, so clear app or browser cache, so remove corrupted temporary data. It's fixed the glitches, okay? So you can also log out and log back in, so sign out, okay? Log back in and refresh session, okay? So you can also try another browser or device to switch to Chrome, Edge, Safari, okay? Or use mobile instead, okay? You can also disable extensions if you are using any, to turn off ad blockers, privacy extensions, okay? And after that, reload the page, okay? So you can also update the app, so go to App Store or Play Store. Maybe your application is outdated, so install the latest version, okay? You can also simplify your prompt to avoid very long or complex queries. Try shorter requests, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.